So most people solve this question like 5 minus 5. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, right? Then 4 minus 4. So 4 minus 4 is equal to also 0. Now 0 times 0. So 0 times 0 is equal to 0, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS rule, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, then third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, here we have subtraction, here multiplication, and here subtraction. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve multiplication, then we have to solve subtraction, right? So first we have to solve this multiplication. So now 5 minus, now solve this multiplication. 5 times 4 is equal to 20 minus 4, right? Now here we have subtraction and here subtraction, and both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So 5 minus 20 is equal to minus 15 minus 4, right? So minus 15 minus 4 is equal to minus 19. So the correct answer is minus 19, right? If you like this solution, then please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.